Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I went shopping at Ikea and I got, I hope you guys can see me. Hold on, let me put the thing down a little bit. Oh, there we go. That's better. So I went shopping at Ikea yesterday. I got a ton of stuff. I'll just show you guys it all maybe when I do like a little follow me around haul story, because I've already put the rugs down, bathroom, kitchen, and I already put in my curtain. And then right now I'm about to fix this little shelf thing I got for my bathroom. And then I guess I can put together one more thing over there, but I will put that in another video. So we're gonna put together the Vesken shelf. Got it from Ikea. I think this one cost $12, I think $12.99, something like that. But I am about to put it together for y'all. It comes, let me show you guys how it comes. Hold on. So it comes with these little white shelves. You get 4 of them. And then each, well, 3 of the trays come with these 4 sticks with them. And y'all, sorry guys for the washing and dryer. It's right here by me. So hold on, I guess I can turn it off real quick so you guys can hear. Okay. So after the video, I'll start back with my clothes. Anyway, so yeah, you come with this. 3 trays come with these little things. These are the sticks that come with, and it comes with a pack of things. I'm not sure what these are, so I'm about to open these real quick and see what they are. So these come with little bitty like clips. Like they're like little bitty clips, I guess. Whoops. They're clips. Or a holder or something. Come with 4 of these things. And they all come with, well, I have 2 pieces like this. I'm not sure what they are, but they look like little bitty clips or something. Then I have 4 of these pieces. So the first things first, it says we're going to put these clips into the tray. And it says it's supposed to click, but it's not clicking for me. They don't click very easy. Oh wait, okay, wait. Yeah, they're supposed to click going downward like this. Let me see if this is gonna work. No? Hold on, guys. It's not clicking, so hold on. Let me, I'll come back whenever I can get it to click. Hold on, okay? I'll be back. Okay, guys, I just hit myself upside the head with this thing. Look, I finally got it together though. I got it together. It was so hard, but I got it. I had blood on paper, like it was right here above my eye, trying to get it out. Anyways, next shelf, next level, please. Oh, let me get it back so y'all can see. What am I doing? Okay, so right here. So next level right here, we're gonna place this on it. Your stick, so this part right here goes down first, and then you will hear the click. Hard. Okay, next level. Just gonna go up with this camera. There's always one. Oh, I broke it. My God. Y'all, I broke my shelf right here. But somehow it's holding together, so that's good. So this is the last small pieces I showed you at the beginning. We're just gonna stick these in here and let them click. That was easy, but it's broken, but I'm still gonna keep it. Not gonna let that affect me. This is kind of tough to put together. It's kind of super tough. Okay. So what are these for? The last two pieces. Oh, okay. This is if I want to hang it on the wall. I have two screw holders, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna just let it sit in my bathroom. So that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Wait, let me give you guys a tour of it. Hold on. So you guys can see how it looks together. Even though it's broken. It's broken right here, but I'm still gonna keep it because I'm not gonna waste money and not use it. So that's what it looks like.